The Portofino is Ferrari's replacement for the California T like its predecessor. The Portofino marks the entry point to the Ferrari range, this time at £166,180, an £11,000 increase, and remains a front-engined, 2+2 seat convertible with a folding hardtop.
But despite being identical in concept, there are some big changes beneath the thoroughly redesigned skin, including a new body shell, and the entire folding hardtop, including its mechanism.
Most striking at a standstill is the design.
Far more aggressive and F12-like than the softer, more approachable California, it suggests this is an altogether more serious driving machine.
That's no coincidence. Ferrari has focused on making the Portofino more exciting to drive, while being even more usable and comfortable for the typically new customers that a folding hardtop attracts to the Prancing Horse. First owners will take delivery in July 2018.
It's still the 3855cc twin-turbo V8 that's closely related to the slightly larger unit in the 488.
Key improvements over the California T include new pistons and con rods, a new variable displacement oil pump to reduce hydraulic power losses by 30%, a single-piece cast turbo manifold, a new intercooler to boost performance, and a new exhaust with reduced back pressure.
As a result, the V8 now delivers 592 bhp and 561 pounds-foot, up 40 bhp/4 pounds-foot on the California T, while efficiency increases from 24.1 miles per gallon/273 grams/km to 26.4 miles per gallon/245 grams/km.
Power still feeds through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox to the rear wheels, but there's a helping hand from a third evolution of Ferrari's electronically controlled e-diff, and adaptive suspension that talks to a new ESP calibration.
All combined, the Portofino now does the 0 to 124 miles per hour sprint in a claimed 10.8 seconds, 0.4 seconds faster than its predecessor.
Ferrari has targeted incremental weight savings throughout the Portofino, with that detail extending right down to shorter welds.